This short video describes botanical features of Prunus serrula. And probably the best known of those botanical features is the copper coloured, fine and highly glossy bark which peels off in strips. It is marked by pale lenticels, but quite often the majority of the semi-mature trunk will be covered in this very fine copper coloured film. It's really very attractive and catches the sunlight rather strongly. For an ornamental cherry, the flowers are rather delicate, small, pale to white, 5-petaled triangular petals and a set of white stamens hanging down from the centre. Born in reasonable numbers, but being relatively small doesn't give a dramatic effect as it flowers in March to April. This cherry will tend to carry some fruit upon it through the year, and these develop from green through a bright translucent red to a purple colour through the season. Relatively small drupes. On the spray the leaves are alternately arranged, relatively small for Prunus, and typically on a red-brown twig. The leaves ovate to oblanceolate with a long tapered tip and a fine serration at the leaf margin. Notice the red petioles. And the form of the tree relatively small, reaching heights typically of about 6 metres. The twigs rather messy and scattered, resulting in a sort of nest-like crown. The winter bards, they're relatively small, typical of the Prunus genus, in that they're bronzy to shiny brown, alternate, and arranged in flowering spurs upon the twigs.